What if I told you your dorm room, RV, or office could have a microwave more powerful than your kitchen's? After testing 18 portable microwaves, we found 5 game changers, but number 2 has a secret feature nobody's talking about. Stick around because the winner might just replace your full-sized microwave. All purchase links? You guessed it, description below. Let's heat things up. Starting at number 1. Carsolt Portable Food Warmer. The Carsolt 1 Portable Food Warmer is a great way to enjoy healthy, warm homemade food on the go. It is made of food-grade PP material and 304 food-grade stainless steel, and is designed with an aluminum plate for even heating. It has a high power of 55 W, and is equipped with 2 power adapters, a 110V home indoor adapter, a 12V/24V car, and a truck adapter. It also features a 1.5L large-capacity stainless steel inner tray and a 0.45L plastic box, which can be used to separate different kinds of food. Plus, it has a leak-proof design and an anti-scalding handle for easy carrying. Number 2. FEW Electric Lunchbox Food Heater. The FEW Electric Lunchbox offers a convenient way to enjoy hot meals wherever you are. With its 3-in-1 functionality, you can easily heat your food at home, in the office, or even in your car using various power cables. The advanced PTC heating technology warms your food efficiently while preserving moisture, taking only 20 to 30 minutes for a perfect meal. Additionally, its leak-proof design ensures that you won't have to worry about spills, making it ideal for travel. The removable stainless steel tray simplifies cleaning, so you can enjoy your meals without hassle. Number 3. Portable Oven Personal Food Warmer. The Portable Oven Personal Food Warmer is a 90W mini microwave electric heated lunchbox that heats food quickly and evenly, preserving the moisture and nutrition of food. It uses heating conduction technology, allowing you to reheat leftovers, cook meals, and keep food warm for hours without overcooking. It is compatible with multiple containers and accommodates larger containers up to 9.76-inch LX 7.01W x 3.94H. This portable lunchbox warmer is ideal for those who want to eat healthy, hot homemade food instead of eating out, saving money and time. Number 4. HOTLOGIC Mini Portable Oven. The HOTLOGIC Mini Portable Oven is a personal lunchbox that allows you to cook healthy dishes, heat frozen boxed meals, and warm comfort food at home, in the office, or at parties. It evenly cooks or reheats fresh or frozen meals in about an hour without burning or drying out your food. The device is compatible with most flat-bottom, sealable containers and accommodates containers up to 8.75-inch W x 6.75 LX 2.5H or 1.5 quarts of food. The HOTLOGIC Mini requires no monitoring, just place your meal inside, plug it in, and go about your day. The device is ultra-energy efficient and uses less energy than a microwave. Number 5. Dosevita Portable Oven. Enjoy hot and fresh food wherever you go with the Dosevita Portable Oven Car Food Warmer. This personal mini oven is perfect for office/outside workers, truck drivers, construction workers, and business travelers. It's easy to use and clean, and fits most types of containers. With 3-in-1 multi-use and automatic constant temperature heating technology, this mini portable microwave evenly reheats and cooks food without overcooking. It's lightweight and portable, making it convenient to carry anywhere. Customer satisfaction is guaranteed for this life-changing product. Customers are raving about the Dosevita Portable Oven Car Food Warmer. They love how quickly it heats up their food, making it perfect for those short lunch breaks. It's also great for preparing healthy meals while working long hours. This product is highly recommended for anyone who wants to enjoy hot and fresh food on the go, whether it's for travel, camping, office, or home. So which portable microwave would you take on the go? Debate your pick in the comments. If you want more life-changing kitchen tech, smash that like button, share this with your college-bound friends, and subscribe with notifications on because next week we're testing if a $29 microwave can actually cook a turkey, and you won't believe what happened.